Hi learners, welcome to Unified Study. This is Tulasi doing HP Set 2024 analysis of paper 1. Here we are going to do the full paper explanation of HP Set paper 1. Learners, those who are new to the channel, kindly subscribe the channel and like and share the videos. Here we are going to see the paper 1 analysis held on 28/4/2024. Let's start with the questions. A question from communication. Breakdown in verbal communication is described as entropy. Entropy means confusion, right? And that is what the meaning, the breakdown in verbal communication, it is described as entropy. Formal communication tends to be fast and flexible. It is an assertion. Formal communication is systematic and orderly flow of information. Formal communication, whatever we do to an official information, to any kind of government office and all, right? It is not said to be fast and flexible. It goes step by step sequence it follows, and it is not flexible because it follows an order. So it is not flexible. So option D is right. A is said to be false, and the reason for why the formal communication is said to be like that, because it is systematic and orderly flow of information. The reason is right, but the assertion is said to be false. The formal communication is tend to be slow and it is not flexible. Next question. A question from communication barrier. This question paper of HP set is very, very easy. Many of the questions are from the previous year questions practice. And here in our unified study app, we have done so many questions of these things we have practiced. This is from communication barrier. Semantics means what? Semantics means misunderstanding of the language, right? It's called faulty message. And psychological barrier means whenever I communicate something, psychologically, if I'm not very good at it, I cannot able to remember things. It all comes under poor retention. Personal barrier is means what? It means you can say it's a lack of time. And then physical barrier, this is lack of physical clarity in the channel. Physical barriers will be there. So option B is the right answer. Next, the communication among persons working at different levels with no direct reporting relationship is called diagonal relationship. Here I am working in the English department. Here I am directly talking to the head of the department of mathematics. So I'm just crossing mathematics department actually is not my reporting authority, right? So I'm just crossing over the authority level and I'm discussing means it's called diagonal communication or right. Next one, in a classroom, transforming the verbal and non-verbal signs back into messages called decoding. Decoding is the right answer. Next one is question from mathematical reasoning. Very, very easy and simple question. Just we have to go like this. We have to add 7 and we have to add, so 10, minus 10 plus 7 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 6 is plus 3. Plus 3 plus 5 is 8. And plus 5 plus 4 is 12. Plus 12 plus 3 is 15. So we have to just add the numbers, right? We have to just add the numbers, we'll be getting 15. Next question, a question from mathematical reasoning. Three bells ring together at 8 a.m. and then they ring at an interval of 6 minutes. Very, very easy question, taking an LCM of 6, 9, and 12. If I take the LCM of 6, 9, 12, I'll be getting 36. I just have to add this 36 with this 8 a.m. Then the answer is 8. This is 36 minutes. It is 8.36. Next question from coding and decoding. Very easy question. First letter C to D plus 1 and then H to G minus 1. H to G minus 1. So plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, it keeps on going. Plus 1 minus 1 keeps on going. Option D is the right answer. Next one is a question from mathematical reasoning. Very easy, very simple formula. Loss percentage, loss into 100 by CP. The loss percentage is 40%. Loss is rupees 136 into 100 divided by CP. We don't know the CP, right? So what we have to do, CP will be going here. So 136 into 100 divided by 40. So when I do calculation, I'll be getting, this is 3 times 134. Simple, when I multiply, I'll be getting 304. I'll be getting 340. That's it. Next question, a question from mathematical reasoning. Here I've given the solution. The right answer for this question is 72. The next question from logical reasoning. Very easy. All saints are said to be religious and some honest persons are said to be saints. These are the Premises is given, and see the quotes what has been concluded. All the saints are honest will not come. Some saints are honest, yes, it will come. Some honest persons are religious. We cannot say some. All honest persons are said to be religious. So this will not come. All religious persons are honest, and this will also not come. Next question. By Shika. It is from Indian logic. Right answer is Pratyaksha and Anumana. Next one from logical reasoning. A deductive argument is said to be invalid if its premises are all true, but its conclusion is said to be false. Next question again from logical reasoning. The answer is analogical. Here the answer for this question is Viruddh. It is a question from Hetwabas, fallacy error in Indian logic. NAPTEL means National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. A question from teaching after also will come and also come to higher education. Video conferencing is an example of synchronous technology. And next question from ICT. Here, according to me, here both the statements are said to be right. But if it go more detail into netizens, it may be incorrect because netizen is a term used to describe someone who uses the network resources, not alone the network resources, but they also make get benefit out of the internet. So it may be either this one or this one. It can be. So I have to doubt with this question. So we have to wait until the official answer key of HP set has come. But I have doubt with these two options. But maximum it will be of option A. And the next question, which is the following is correctly match email SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol. Next one, a question from ICT web search engine. Right answer for this question is DuckDuckGo, Google, Yahoo Search, and Bing. These are the four web search engines. And then a question from people development around direct question. A question from Secretary of Convention of Biodiversity, CBD. It is situated in Montreal and Canada. And a question from greenhouse gases, which observes the radiation energy mostly in which is the following range of spectrum in the infrared solar spectrum. And next question, a pollutant of acid rain. Your right answer for this question is nitric oxide, nitrogen oxide, and sulfur dioxide. These three are the important pollutant for creating an acid rain. Yes, next question from again people development and environment. Many of the questions are from the previous year questions. Many of the questions from previous year net question and also set questions. Next, the substance that slows down the neutron, right answer for this question is moderator. Next question again from PDE, Sendai framework period is from 2015 to 2030. Next question from non-conventional learning. Non-conventional learning is nothing but it is learner-centered education. Next question again from higher education, which affects body coordinates, and that's engineering education. It is nothing but AICTE. NCT for teachers education, UGC is for University Grants Commission, all arts and science, and IGNO is mainly meant for out of school, right? Distance out of school studies will be taken care from IGNO, Open University. This is nothing but a open university. Yes. There are minimum degree qualification and a question from NEP. 4-year integrated BA degree with the year 2030. It will be a minimum degree qualification for teaching. Next one, a question from higher education. Here, right answer for this question is access, equity, quality, and equal excellence, relevance, and value-based education. These are said to be the goals of higher education. And learners also are preparing for the UGC NET examinations here at Unified Study. We are doing the complete course, and now we are going with the PYQs of December 2023 is going on in the Unified Study app. Learners, those who wish to take attend the PYQs, you can visit the unifiedstudy.com and here this is the details for the complete course details. You can get access for the videos and also for the PDFs here. And these are the subscription details of the complete course. And here also we are doing the complete course along with computer science for the NET and the SET examinations. Here are the details. And next question, which is the following statement has to be correct about the distance education. Here it is not supplementing formal education. It reduces the cost of education, replaces the formal education, and enhances the access to education. I think learners, the answers are getting benefit to you. Please kindly stay back and put your scores, and we are just going with your next question. And a question from data interpretation. Very, very easy question. The right answer for this question is option B, 2006 to 7, 2008 to 9. According to this, what they have asked is the rate of increase in the area of under horticulture. Total horticulture, we have to compare these increase percentage, how much it has been increased. So when I do the increase, we'll be getting the answer maximum, the highest rate for 2006 to 7 and 8 to 9. 2006 to 7 and 8 to 9. When I compare these 2 years, simple, 207 minus 194 and divided by, from 194 it has been increasing into 100. That's all. So when we do this calculation, we'll be getting 1300 divided by 194. So that will be giving me the option of 6.7. Okay. Next question. This question actually it is incomplete. We don't have which year we have to do. It was not given. So this question may be dropped in the HP set. And next question from which of the following has recorded the highest rate of increase in area during 2005 to 6 and 9 to 10. Here I have given the calculation. So according to this calculation, from 2005 to 6 to 9 to 10, right answer for this question is flowers. Flowers are said to be the highest rate of increase in area. And next question, according to the same calculation, no need of calculator at all, the same calculation where we can get the answer as what? Can get the answer as horticulture. Okay, from find out the horticulture crop, it is recorded a increase area by around 10%. So around by 10% is nothing but what, see here, around 10% is by means of vegetables. So the right answer for this question is vegetables. No need of doing the calculation. Same calculation which was done with the before problem, right? We have to take it down and this is the right answer, which is closely to the 10%. Next one. What has been the share of area under fruits, vegetables, flowers in the area under the total horticulture in 2007 and 8? Simple formula. We have to calculate. We'll be getting around 68% is the right answer. And next question from teaching aptitude. Question from teaching aptitude. Here, the right answer for the question is field independent learners. And the field independent learners will not rely on facts and principles, right? And they'll be perceive the global aspects of concepts and materials. They will like to compete with each other and they'll organize the information by themselves. The option 2 is the right answer. And the formative evaluation is to accelerate the students' learning performance. So option B is the right answer. And a question again from teaching aptitude. Here, the right answer is 2, 3, and 4. So teachers selling like learning is a buying, it is not the right option. Next, a question from online methods of teaching and learning. Here, the answer for this question is high quality educational programs over TV, that is why and which are the following factors least affects the learning, the emotional health of the learners. Next one. So learners, those who wish to do the PYQ session, or also we have those who want to take the test session, here we have option of paid mock test. Here you can get a test for computer science and you can also have a test for paper 1 and separately we have a test for data interpretation. So you can also get access to these tests on our unifiedstudy.com. Kindly visit the unifiedstudy.com website. And a question from research aptitude. Here the right answer for the question is option C. At the stage of data collection and interpretation is said to be the very pertinent stage of in the research. The next question, not characteristics of experimental research. Here we call it content analysis because this comes under the qualitative research. Experimental research always comes under quantitative research. The next question from plan action research. It is plan, act, observe, reflect. PAOR. Next question. Which of the following is not a critical feature of qualitative research? So we have asked for not. So qualitative feature will not establish a relationship among the measured social facts, is the keyword. So this will be the right answer. And last question. A teacher wants to test the effectiveness of any teaching method called flipped classroom. Then which kind of method we used to? Experimental research we used. Right? So these are the answers for the HP set paper 1, which held on 28/4/2024. Learners, kindly post your marks which you have scored in the paper 1 in the comment section so that we can able to know how much you have scored. So let us wait for the official answer key released by HP set and then so that we can also discuss later. And kindly like the session, new learners, subscribe the video so that you can get more updates from our Unified Study channel. And I will share the video with your friends so that they can also get benefit out of our channel. Those are preparing for the UGC NET 2024. Please kindly stay tuned with Unified Study YouTube channel. See you in another video. Tata, bye.